over. That is hilarious. Fucking idiot.
Chatterbox, the radio show that never gets old. I'm Laszlo with open ears and a closed mind. Hello, you're on the air. What's your name? I wanted to talk about spanking. Oh, God, none of...
So whether you're flying local now or international later, this is the kind of peace of mind that belongs in your flight plan. Click the link in the description to find the plan that fits your roster. Be sure to use promo code FLYWITHTRENT, and that's all one word, FLYWITHTRENT.
Nice.
Now, let's get back to the video.
My tire doing that.
He's being chased.
I know.
How'd you fucking...
My tire doing that.
He's being chased.
I know.
How'd you fucking...
I hit. Ooh! Oh! Karma! Ooh! Oh! You tailgated that officer too bad. Oh, you're in trouble. Ooh, you are in trouble. Oh! Oh! Get wrecked! Get wrecked! Woo! Destroyed! Man, I was like, this guy's going so fast! Busted!
Ai poteki. Sorry. Red light camera.
Oh, let's see. Is it the Range Rover?
Said Agnes to it. Please wait here. I'll be back shortly. She took me by the arm and we walked along the side of a large gray stonework building. Then past a statue of a woman
Okay, Garmin.
with some other women posed around
Same
her.
video?
We didn't usually see statues of women either. That is altogether. Said Agnes. Or, statue. Is one imagination? Not as She's fresh from the
Missed him. He just got off the freeway.
Nice.
Sell validation to the gullible people who were never interested in reality in the first place. Let's wrap things up by getting some commentary from a professional senior research fellow in epidemiology at the University of Wollongong in Sydney, Australia, who has quite a bit to say about the COVID pandemic and ivermectin in particular. In fact, he has authored research regarding the efficacy of ivermectin, specifically examining the effects of medical fraud on how this data is reported. So his expertise will be quite welcome here.
Gideon, thanks so much for the line. I mean, it's very obviously
This is the white truck. Maybe also look at the white guy.
and the scene didn't
Ah, it's that guy.
the writing in it
Ah.
was bizarre.
It's you again.
Somebody's getting busted. South Dakota vehicle in the middle of Iowa.